Yo, 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 yo! Yo! It was raining! Yo!
Check it.
Sinulat! Sinulat! It was raining! It's your boy, Bryce! It's your boy, Bryce! Yo,
Pare mo na naga.
yeah! Tirahin mo niya, baka tirahin pa ng iba!
Yo, represent, it's your boy, Brian here. Yo, akala ko noon ang gwapo-gwapo ko until the sun has met that I become malupet. Hindi ko natin natin may tsura ng mga cover with your asmanship. Medyo yummy rin ako. Una, natitirahin ko ay isa ng pulo na lapakit. Sarap batok-batukan. Si Big Boy nagbabot, hindi na pala. Pero, nung nakilala ko may abs siya. Ano? Balag? Malakas kapit ko. Kung may problema ka, isumbong mo sa ato ko. May mati, nahati, na walang sagot ng baby. Ang tinutukol ko, yung phone galaxy. At the least of pare, I want to take his daddy and keep the ass as long as the uplight is daddy, si Bobby, kasama niya, si Vinny, hindi sila nagiinom that's right, so healthy. Kaya, sa'yo, isarado natin to. Kaya nandito na kami, dalawa. Sino yung door at ilak niya. At kung ayaw niya naman, magbubog kayo sa gusto. Yeah, it was raining, sorry.
Yo!
It was raining. It's your boy Brian here. Yo.
Yeah, man!
Yeah, you're cooking nothing now. Yo,
Ako din ka na daw!
Yo, I'm a kid, come down, yo. Woo.
Yo! It's your homeboy, Mayor! Alright! Check! Yo, una kong sisirahin ay yung pinakamalaki kasi sa maliliit ay wala akong pake. Kaya yari ka na B-boy, matakot ka na boy. Kasi tropa ko, sipod ka pa sikod ko. Ang lakas mo sumibo, kaya ka malusot. Pag ako na bati, papayat ka sa buko. Sa kapamati na ang kati-kati, baka ipatira kita sa adik sa tabi. Maaawat lang ako pag binigay mo yung romance na chicks mo sa LD. Speaking of LD Bataga, doon ka bo, baka gusto mong mahagis ka sa bubong. Balita ko, ikaw ay fighter doon sa underground. Baka gusto mong susukin kita all around. At ikaw naman, Marvin na taga-bae. Nakalunok ka na ba ng malaking tae? Bigay ka na lang ng protection kay Kuya Marvin para di ka madali. May titirahin pa akong isa sa second episode ng It Was Written. Para sa kanyang yun. Alam mo na kung sino ka.
Episode 1,
Minsan,
it was
susunod.
Yo, it was written. Yo, all the hip hoppers out there, I want to say, our sponsors, yeah, that drama, yeah, that eventually they were the season. Thanks so much
for no shirt, and thank for the whip cup. Yeah, see that? The bear, Chicago. Thanks.
and thank you to Touch the Padding who planned it. Touch the Padding, thank you so much.
Thank for the David Salon for the shave and the hair.
Yep, you're representing. It's your boy Bryce here. It's your boy Melville. Yeah. It was
Checking out.
It was reading episode 1, son.